Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Luna of Light, and for today's video I will be showing you guys a little trick on how to get rid of someone that is bothering you, or I guess stalking you. If there's someone in your life or someone that you know that you would like to get rid of, this is the trick for you. So basically, this will not harm the person, and no karma will come back to you. So that is the best thing about this. It's just to get rid of whoever is bothering you. So say an ex-boyfriend or a family member that is very heavy and you just don't want to talk to that person anymore. Could be someone that maybe you know that is stalking you, or I'm not sure, someone at work that is bothering you, a bully, these types of things. You basically do this little sheet right here that I have in front of me, and it's very simple, and it will basically get rid of that person. Not in a bad way, but that person won't look for you anymore, won't call you anymore. You will not be hearing from that person for quite a while. And the more you do it, the more further away that person will get. So all you need is a piece of paper like this and a red pen. And you must write their full name 3 times, just like this, and their birthday. You can either write it month, date, and year, or date, month, and year. If you feel more comfortable writing the month in letters instead of numbers, you can also. Whatever you feel more comfortable will work, because intentions is the one that counts. So if your intention inside or your sensation inside is telling you to write it instead of writing the numbers, so you can understand it better, or the universe might understand it better, then you do it that way. So you do this little piece of paper, and I will show you the next step. All right, so now what you're gonna wanna do is get the paper with the full name of the person and their birthday written down 3 times with a red pen, and you're gonna wanna put all your intention, trying to picture that person, and saying in your mind, leave me alone, go away, or stop contacting me, or bothering me, depends on what you want that person to exactly do. And you throw it into the toilet and you pull the water. And yes, that is basically it, and you're finished. You can write as many as you like. I like to write a few of them with the same name and birthday and keep them aside. So when I feel that I need to do it, I flush them down the toilet. And you can do it as many times as you like a day, as many days as you like, until you feel that that person has actually moved away. And it works really, really quickly. I've noticed that it takes up to 2 to 3 days to actually start seeing the results, but it works really, really fast, which is very grateful in my opinion. I'm very grateful for this little trick. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did enjoy this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I will be bringing more videos just like this to my channel, and I hope you guys will enjoy them all. Also, always stay positive and always do good, that karma will come back to you in a good way. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!